Okay, guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button like it. You're welcome.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ.
Good evening and welcome to EBEONADI103.5 FM News Update. Today, Wednesday, the 30th day of October 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efanshuku Ekinze is my name. The headlines. Soludo begins remodeling of old Anambra Government House site to Tech Village. LXOT averts labor unrest over implementation of new minimum wage. Lawmaker begs Imo youths to shave protest over killing of pregnant woman at Imo Airport. I am human. Abia lawmaker tells colleagues over assault on boat driver. CAF confirms dates for Nigeria Super Eagles crucial AFCON qualifiers against Rwanda and Benin. Several bodies found as flash floods sweep cars through streets in Spain. Now, details. Soludo begins remodeling of old Anambra Government House site to Tech Village. Anambra State Governor Professor Chukwuma Soludo has commenced the remodeling of old Anambra Government House site to a technology village. Soludo is expected to move into the new Anambra State Government House and Governor's Lodge being constructed by his government soon. Anambra State has since its creation in 1991 been using a makeshift location which was initially designated for construction workers as its government house. The special advisor to the governor on innovation and business incubation, Chinwe Okoli, who also heads the Solution Innovation District, told journalists Tuesday in a press conference to announce the commencement of the median edition of the Anambra Innovation Week 2024 that the first major structure in the old government house, which is being remodeled as a technology village, has commenced. Our mandate encompasses nurturing the Anambra digital tribe, supporting the startup ecosystem, incubating promising ventures, fostering research commercialization, and helping businesses leverage technology to scale, Chinwe stated. LXOT averts labor unrest over implementation of new minimum wage. Abia State Governor LXOT has averted a looming industrial crisis in the state after reaching agreement with the organized labor on the acceptable modality for the implementation of the new minimum wage. The amicable agreement came on the heels of altercations between the Abia State House of Assembly and the State Council of the Nigerian Labour Congress, which had alleged that the House was considering a bill to scuttle local government autonomy. Commissioner for Information, OK Kanu, announced yesterday that government and Labour resolved their differences after negotiations on Monday, adding that payment of new minimum wage would commence as planned before month end. However, He said that the payment of the new minimum wage could not start on the 28th day of the month, the usual day for salary payments, because the negotiations ended in the early hours of Monday. Meanwhile, the Speaker of the Abia State House of Assembly, Honorable Emmanuel Emerowa, has warned the Abia NLC leadership to desist from making unfounded allegations against the state legislature. Lawmaker begs Imo youths to shave protest over killing of pregnant woman at airport. Lawmaker representing Ngo Obala State constituency at Imo House of Assembly, Obinna Egu, has appealed to the youths of host communities to Simon Bakwe International Cargo Airport to withhold their planned protest over the gruesome murder of a pregnant woman within the airport premises. The lawmakers' intervention followed the threat by the host community youths of the airport under the auspices of Onyahala One Year Youth Movement to ground operations at the airport runway in protest of the alleged non-concerned attitude of the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria FAN towards the killing of the pregnant woman. It was gathered that the pregnant woman from the Awogu village of Ologara community in Ngobala local government area, Mrs. Chinwendu Amadi, was reportedly raped and killed inside the Simon Bakwe International Cargo Airport, Owerri, by unidentified hoodlums. The incident, which threw the entire clan into mourning, was blamed on the alleged neglect of the security of the airport premises by the fan management, whose MD, the community said, refused to employ night guards shortlisted for him by the host community. I am human. Abia lawmaker tells colleagues over assault on boat driver. Alex Ikwechek, the lawmaker representing Aba North, Aba South in the House of Representatives, has pleaded with his colleagues to forgive his actions towards an e-hailing driver in Abuja. Ikwechek had, in a heated argument, threatened to arrest the driver and make him disappear over alleged disrespect to his person. The outburst by the lawmaker has caused outrage among Nigerians, with many calling for his resignation. However, addressing members of the House of Representatives during a plenary on Tuesday, the lawmaker apologized for his actions. He said, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I just want to state once again that I am human. Even though things were said and those things I regret, I apologize to all Nigerians, regardless of the provocation. There should be no reason why I should react in that form. So I want to use this opportunity to apologize and appeal to all Nigerians. Let us allow what has happened to remain in the past and let us forge forward. Ikochek pleaded. CAF confirms dates for Nigeria Super Eagles crucial AFCON qualifiers against Rwanda and Benin. The Confederation of African Football has officially scheduled dates for Nigeria's final two qualifiers for the 2025 African Cup of Nations as the Super Eagles prepare to face Rwanda and Benin in decisive Group D clashes. CAF has set Monday, November 18, for Nigeria's last AFCON qualifying match against Rwanda, which will take place at the Gospel Akpabio Stadium in Uyo. The game, set to kick off at 5 p.m. Nigerian time, will be officiated by Moroccan referee Samir Gozesas, who will be supported by assistants Zachariah Brincy and Adesamad Adeboton. Kesh Sharp Mustafa will serve as the fourth official, while Ghana's Prosper Harrison Ado will take the role of match commissioner. The Somalians Ali Muhammad Ahmed will act as the referee assessor. Before that, the Super Eagles will head to Abidjan for their match 5 fixture against Benin Republic, scheduled for Thursday, November 14 at Stade Felix. This match will start at 8 p.m. Nigerian time, 7 p.m. Ivorian time, and will be overseen by Senegalese officials, with Issa named as the center referee. He will be joined by Jubri Kamara and Bogura as assistant referees, while El Haji will serve as the fourth official. You're listening to News Updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Several bodies found as flash floods sweep cars through streets in Spain. Several bodies have been found in Spain's Valencia region after flash floods struck eastern and southern parts of the country. Torrential rains caused by a cold front flooded roads and the towns on Tuesday, resulting in cars being swept through streets, a train being derailed, and damaged houses and buildings. The exact number of people killed has not been disclosed by authorities in Valencia. Earlier, the National Government Office for the Castilla-La Mancha region told newsmen that 6 people in the region were missing. In Leto, near Sierra de Segura, 30 people were trapped after the river running through the town burst its banks. Dozens of videos shared on social media appear to show people trapped in floodwaters, several of them hanging onto trees to avoid being swept away. Authorities used helicopters to rescue some residents from their homes. Other videos shared by Spanish broadcasters showed flood water rising into the lower levels of homes and even carrying cars through the streets. This is where we draw the curtain on news updates on EBONADI 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Soludo begins the remodeling of old Anambra government house site to Tech Village. Alex Oti abats level unrest over implementation of new minimum wage. Lawmaker begs Imo youths to shield protests over killing of pregnant woman at Imo airport. I am human. Abia lawmaker tells colleagues over assault on boat driver. CAF confirms dates for Nigeria Super Eagles crucial AFCON qualifiers against Rwanda and Benin. Several bodies found as flash floods sweep cars through streets in Spain. You just listened to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. News are produced and read by Martin Efanshuku Ekeze. Thank you for listening. Good evening. Good boy.
Listen to news updates on EBONADI 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. EBONADI FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. The 103.5 FM. Nabagoa production. Police vigilante. My business. When I was telling you, FGJ radio drama, here we go. Akụkọ ihe mere n'ime ogbe. AJ radio drama Eriko Canada every Monday 8 o'clock p.m. with a repeat broadcast on Saturday 3 o'clock p.m. Other Monday 20th day of November 2023 m.
nwanne nke m mere ama na rote ama na ụfọdụ oge ọ na-adị gị ka echezọrọ gị na m echefuola gị mba nọ nke afọ bụ asị onye ka m ji zitere gị akwụkwọ ozi ekene anụnwa site n'aka ndị 103.5 FM. Ọkụ ozi ekene bụ oge nnukwu ohere ejirịta ọra ma nwelekwa anwụrụ isonyere soroti n'oge ozi ekene kwa ụbọchị sọnde ọbụla ngwa ngwa ọkụ elekere 4 nke mgbede. Ị ga-enwetakwa anya bụ akwụkwọ ozi ekene nke bụ request kaadị n'isi ụlọ ọrụ anyị dị na Lufi Residency Hotel na ncherịta iru Cape City Secondary School ka anyị tụrịta ọra.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on Ebonadi FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be,
government.
Street report is here to make sense of it all. Street report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifanishku, number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on Ebonadi 103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On Emas and Ebonadi corner 24/7, 24/7.
Obodo eze bụ ife mmemme anyị ji akwalite omenala asụsụ Igbo ọdịbendị ma wetakwalụ gị uche bụ akpa akụkọ ifo n'ilu. Sonyere soroti n'oge obodo eze kwa ụbọchị Tọzdee ọbụla ngwa ngwa ọkụ elekere 3 nke ehihie. Onye ije nnọọ n'obodo eze ebe ife na-eme.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at Ebonadi 103.5 FM with Martin Ifanishku every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to Ebonadi 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
Ogosime, ogini na-afịọ. Nwanne m okwu ka nọrọ na ntị. Ọkwa anụta akara eze bịa bụ na eze na-achị. Oge ka o si na-ebu mgbe anyị ji abụ ụlọ nke na-eme eme, nke na-afịa ụzọ, nke na-arụ ọrụ n'ime ndụ anyị na ezinụlọ anyị na mpaghara mba ụwa maka na ihe ọbụla na-emenụ na-eme ka mmadụ wee mụta ihe maka na Igbo tụrụ ilu wee sị n'ebe a na-adụ nwa nwere nne na nna ọdụ ka nke na-enwere nne na nna na-anọ amụta ife. Sonyere soroti n'oge ka o si mee na 103.5 kwa ụbọchị Mọnde, Wenesde, Fraịde, ngwa ngwa ọkụ elekere 10 nke ụtụtụ ka m gwa gị ka o si wee mee ka ị gwa m ebumnobi gị. Ị ga-amụta ọtụtụ ihe ga-eme ka ị ghara ịgafe ụzọ ebe ndị ọzọ gafere. Igbo kacha anọ.
Okay, guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share right here. The subscribe button right here. You're welcome. Dialogue.